Hi guys, hope everyone's doing well. Thank you for watching. Today we're going to check out the 787 RC aircraft. It's a 3-channel RC airplane. You have elevator control and steering with the motors. 2.4 gigahertz transmitter receiver. qf008 is the number of this plane, item number. There's the remote. You have rates and then up and down trim adjustment. And lights, if you wanted to add some lights. I think there's a plug on the bottom, you can add lights. And again, anyway guys, without further ado, let's get it in the sky and test it out. We're going to be doing a hand launch, and we're on the first setting on the rates. There we go. It's flying. A little bit windy today. I have to adjust that elevator down a little bit because of the wind. Nice, flying good. Here's a gyro fighting the wind, but it's fighting it, doing its job. Got a crosswind. That's fun. We have a lot of breeze. This thing's doing really well considering. You'd think that wind would just slam it. Don't try this at home. I recommend flying on calmer days, but like I always say, I'd never get any flights if I waited for calm days. This is Indiana. This is definitely more challenging. Keep your skills sharper. It could end up in the tree too, so that's why I don't recommend it. I don't want you guys to be sad, I want you to be happy. Alright, I'm going to change it to the other rate setting and we'll see what that's going to do. No idea, so I'm going to get a little bit of altitude in case it's going to have like roll capabilities and things like that. I'm not sure. It's fresh out of the box. I didn't read the instructions. Here we go. It does flash when you change the rate settings. So now I'm in the, oh wow, yeah, I have definitely more control. Or if it'll do like a loop. Yes, it can. No rolls, but it'll do loops. You can turn sharper. Very cool. Man, it is so windy for this super lightweight airplane. It's doing wonderful. Even been able to fly out in this. I didn't have enough momentum for the loop into that wind. Oh, that was close. Can hover pretty slow. That's impressive. Get rid of some of that elevator there. So windy. Well, I think this is a lot of fun to fly. It's so windy, that's why it's so wobbly. But it's amazing that it's been able to fly in this still. I like to put them to the test. Unbelievable. Very cool. It's so windy. It's still doing it. Impressive. All right, I'm gonna do a few more circuits, guys, and then I better bring it in before I crash it. The wind just keeps picking up, as you can tell. Plane gets choppier and choppier. Very cool. Okay, let's bring it in for a landing. There we go. We had a runway that kept going forward on the wheels. Hey, we landed on the wheels in the tall grass. Alright guys, there you have it, the 787 3-channel RC airplane. Have a great day. Bye.